is the sound of a prairie dog when a predator is near. Dogs dangerously dance in daytime. Dogs live in dales and dark. Do you want to know what prairie dogs look like? It is small and chubby. Most prairie dogs are 14 to 17 inches and 2 to 3 pounds. They have a brownish tannish hair color with big eyes and a big head. Their feet are small, 5 toes, and have large claws. Prairie dogs have short tails. Prairie dogs have pretty cool body parts. Have you ever seen a prairie dog go through its life cycle? They are an incomplete metamorphosis, so only have 3 to 4 babies a litter. Did you know after a prairie dog has its baby or babies, they stay in their burrow for about 6 weeks. Then they stay with their mother for about 2 more weeks. Prairie dogs live to 4 to 5 years old or older, and they don't grow with age. Did you know a female prairie dog tries to kill other female prairie dogs' babies for food? Prairie dogs are pretty cool. Do you want to know what prairie dogs eat? Well, I have the answer to your problem. Prairie dogs are plant eaters, so they only eat plants, but occasionally they eat insects such as beetles and grasshoppers. They eat tall plants, grass, and seeds. Did you know a prairie dog almost spends half the day eating? For such little animals, they eat a lot. Some prairie dogs prefer the food close by. They eat grass, roots, and weeds. Prairie dogs drink water off a leaf or in a puddle. Prairie dogs eat interesting things. Do you want to know where prairie dogs live? They live in 0 to 100 degrees. There are 5 different kinds of prairie dogs, and they live in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. They live where there are dry grasses and flat and rolling hills, and there are very few trees. Prairie dogs live in the grasslands and the plains. There are grasses and wildflower growing around their burrow. Prairie dogs also hibernate. Prairie dogs live in cool places. Do you ever want to know the enemies and survival functions of a prairie dog? Well, they have tons of enemies. These are their enemies that come in their burrow: rabbits, mice, snakes, toads, salamanders, turtles, and many beetles. And these are just their enemies that don't come in their burrow: badgers, coyotes, weasels, eagles, hawks, rattlesnakes, and the swift fox. Wow! They get away from their burrow by camouflaging, and when they hear predators, they start to dig. Prairie dogs have a lot of enemies and survival functions. Would you like to know some interesting facts about prairie dogs? Prairie dogs can run up to 35 miles per hour, and they aren't really dogs. Inside their burrow there are jumping, digging, wrestling, yipping, grooming, cleaning, kissing, and chasing. Did you know prairie dogs bark/chirp to tell another prairie dog to get off its property? Do you know how prairie dogs got their name? They got their name from the sound they make when danger is near. Their burrow can get as deep as 17 through 24 feet. Prairie dogs kiss and hug as a way of greeting each other. They can prevent from being attacked by its buff color, muscular legs. They are a part of the rodent family. There are a lot of interesting facts about prairie dogs. The important thing about a prairie dog is that they are very smart. It is a brownish tannish color. It is 14 to 17 inches and 2 to 3 pounds. They are an incomplete metamorphosis. They are plant eaters and